Alright, so we finally got the keys and we're about to go to our room and get naked and have a shower. 2 at 2. Boom. That's where we're living for the next 11 days.
It's nice. It's really nice.
Not bad. Small.
Bigger than what we had.
Oh.
This could be the best bit.
At least we have a toilet. Hiya!
Remember we paid extra for the balcony?
Oh yeah, I want a balcony. Oh yeah! Hola!
Look at that view!
Yeah, we do have a balcony. That's where we ate. Yeah, I'm happy.
Look, it says Neptune's.
Neptune's. St. Julian's. Not bad. Could have been higher, but beggars can't be choosers. Woo! All right, I love you. Let's enjoy this. Hey, dog.
It's a very small shower.
G'day. So, we're in Malta. We've been here for 3 days now. I haven't made any videos because this is our 3rd day. I haven't made any videos because I've just been focusing on the honeymoon. So yeah, here we are in Valenta. It's beautiful. St. Julian's, Valenta. I've gotten nothing right on this video. So start one with me, ready?
Oh, hi.
So here we are in Malta,
St. Julian.
in St. Julian's Bay.
On our balcony.
This is our view. We've got the church, we've got the street, we've got everything here. What do you think, Bear?
I love it.
I love it here.
We've just been chilling the first 2 days. Today, the 3rd day, we're finally awake again.
Yeah,
It was
finally up and
exhausting
running.
to get married.
It was.
We needed a couple of days to
There's the
just
rings.
recover.
And what are we going to do today?
Catch up with your fam bam.
Yeah, they flew in at 1 o'clock last night. How tiring.
Yeah.
So yeah, now we're going to go and see them. And yeah, spend the day.
Have a swim.
Chilling, swimming. Woo! It's going to be good. Alright. Hey, door.
Well, hello. Here we are in the beautiful Malta.
You know the microfilm?
Here we are in beautiful Malta. Beautiful one day, perfect the next. And this is Dudu on his honeymoon, meeting us.
Honeymoon.
Sarah,
I got married
recently
to Miss
married.
Lee.
Sarah Albert Lee now. Have a look at the ring. So we're here for 4 nights, 3 days, enjoying the beautiful sandstone sculptures of the old and new, as well as the Mediterranean Sea, the crystal clear aqua and dark blue of the crystal sea. I'm doing a video, can you shut up?
We're not talking.
You're interrupting me.
We'll cut that bit out. Stupid is as stupid does. We're gonna head to the Blue Lagoon tomorrow, where we will. We're gonna head to the Blue Lagoon tomorrow, where I will push Kimberly off, and that'll be the last of her. So there's the last look. Au revoir. See you later, Kimberly. Homegrown. See you later, alligator in a wild crocodile.
Motor scooter, not push bike.
Okay, so here we are at Valenta.
No, we're still in St. Julian.
Here we are at St. Julian's.
Still?
Me and Dad and Norman and Bear, my new wife.
Yeah.
Are you my wife?
Yeah.
My beautiful wife, Mrs. Lee. Are walking along.
Show the ring. Show the ring. Come on, ring.
Ring. Got coffee in my hand. Come on, fat man, you can come with me. Yep. So here we are on the water's edge. Drinking, stinking. Fatty's behind me. Sarah's up there. The water is super clear. Hey Bear.
Bye bye.
Where are we? St. Julian's! Are you having a good time there?
Yeah. But you know what? I'm having a great time. We're really.
Sarah, what's your favourite part about Malta?
Huh?
What's your favourite part about Malta?
Oh, it's nice and you're here.
It's nice and I'm here. Hey Dad! What's your favourite part about Malta?
The water.
What's your favourite part about Malta?
Hello, she wants to have a picture taken.
Wow! It's shallow there, won't go far.
Oh, that way your camera will stay dry.
Hey Kim!
Oh, how cute down there.
What's your favourite part about Malta?
The water. Look at it. It's beautiful. Oh, and the fact they have coffee with Selena.
Yeah, but have you noticed that even though the water's clear, it's free?
He's going to get a haircut.
You look beautiful.
Oh, my hair's annoying me though.
So me and Craig are in St. Julia's Bay. Everyone's up in the hotel room. We're just chilling and taking awesome photos. It's beautiful weather here.
Oh, magnificent.
Well worth it. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Wow.
Holy crap.
That went quick.
That went really quick. And Craig told me an amazing story about how he almost got arrested in Copenhagen.
Driving scooters, 2 scooters, down the wrong way, down an illegal scooter zone.
Oops!
And 2 Danish police came up to me and went, hello, no, no,
Hang on, no, you're not.
And I went English, and they went, you can't ride here. 2 people, no scooters. So we got off and left it there. And now I've got 82 cents left in my account.
Oh! Well worth it.
But Z and I had an absolute, well, we needed this. He should have brought his GoPro.
Oh, could you imagine? You would have gotten some
it would have been
sick
unreal.
footage. But you'll go back one day when he's 29 and you're 100.
Might be with me.
Maybe.
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 Maybe he'll be rich and famous and take his dad around. I'll be
Yeah.
his manager.
Man, you're good at it. So now we're just going to wait for the fan bam to come down from the hotel room so we can keep walking and go.
So Big Z, if you see this later on, what you don't realise is you made the PWSA for the 2nd year in a row. That's the schools competition. You actually made the top team, which means you've not only jumped up a level, but you've also improved.
Yep.
So proud of you, little dude. And you've got training on Friday and the
Better be
game
ready.
on Friday afternoon. And you're going to sleep like a puppy dog on Friday night.
You better be ready. All right. Hey, Dor.
How old's
All right, so we just ate up there, had some crepes. They were absolutely amazing. Now we're heading down here to the rock pools. Have some fun in the water. Hey, Fan Bam.
It is freezing.
It's freezing.
That's why
It's actually really nice. Once you get used to
Are you going to jump in? Who's going in? Are you going in?
She's ready. Look at her. I'm going in.
Quick, jump in.
Yeah, this way.
Quick, jump. Sarah will catch you.
Who would like to go on my break?
Go back to the hotel later and you can have a swim.
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 You having fun, Kimby?
Yeah.
What do you think? It's awesome down here. How cool is it?
There's some hole that you can go in and swim in.
Right there where that guy's walking.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
We can
Maybe
make it.
wanted to swim.
We can make it.
that's where they start.
And Austin wanted to swim. This is a little bit too hard to get in now.
Whoa.
Oh, Kimberly almost went in.
What do you think, Faffy? You gonna go for a swim?
Yeah, of course I am.
In this side.
Hey, Bear. No, you gonna jump in?
But this would be really rough on your feet.
Look, we come to the one spot where Chris was.
Where's it? Oh, Chris.
What?
He invented the rock.
Just turn your head, other way.
Aww. He was here
25th of the 12th, 17.
17.
How good was that crepe?
Ah,
That crepe was amazing.
Oh, I
I'm
didn't
going
know
back
the
for
crepe.
5 more.
I had ice cream. Ice cream, the cone was stale.
Cash crate guy or the card crate guy?
This one up here.
Card crate.
Perfect crepe. Alright, Fan Bam, where are we going to next? Where are we going next?
Round the corner.
Are we going around the corner?
Well, we've got to see the letter.
Well, that's much around the corner and over a hill.
Oh, okay. We've got to go and see the land.
Easily around.
About the distance from here to there to there again.
Yeah.
I was hardly
There it
noticing
is.
there.
I can see a hotel. A tuk-tuk.
Cross.
A tuk-tuk.
Is it the pinkish sort of one?
Yes.
Grab some sun cream.
Letting the dogs
Alright.
loose.
Yeah, it is.
All right, we're going. Hey door.
Hey door.
Hey door.
Hey door. Hey
Seems
door.
like body hasn't seen sunlight in
Oh,
a month.
yeah.
Hello to doors.
Turn around back.
Hey, there's the door. Leave now.